Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, the Bitcoin is doing exactly what us we tell you. We tell you yesterday when that green candle here finished, we told you the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here for some time here, maybe till month 1 or month 2. Then you're going to see it is going up again. But that one is maybe that one is the bottom, guys, because that's how it look like till now. So everything is too clear here. And another thing here, we got it here. If we came, guys, and we do it like that to see the clear picture, and we connecting those dots, those ones, and like that, you see what the Bitcoin giving you here. It give you here a down channel. It's very clear down channel. As you see it touched the lower of it here, and the top of it here, and the top of it here, and now the lower of it here down. So now either from here is going to go up till it touching the top here, or from here is going to break down. So that one is going to be a flag, guys, and that one is a very bad signal. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us, guys, because that one I just see it today. It's something very bad, that one, to the Bitcoin. But you don't need to be scared. If you are a long-term investor, you don't need to be scared. Everything will be fine, and in the future you're going to be someone who telling the stories about that, and everything it passed on you. It give you experience in life, and that drop and all that market bleeding, it's a new experience in your life. So as you see it here, you came like that, guys. It's a flag like that, as you see it. Then you're going to come from the top and you calculate it like that. Then you make it the same one like here. So it's going to go down till 10k, or we don't know exactly, but that if we break in that lower here, if we doesn't, me personally I think that is the bottom, because also we are very close to December and the halving cycle and all those things. We are very close to it, guys, and the Bitcoin is going to reach to the peak going up in 2024, guys. So you need to make a close at those things, and you need to remember that November, the month of November, that's something very important in the cycle of the Bitcoin, guys. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, guys. Just a red button down, click at it, you're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. I think everything is too clear here, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, I tell you yesterday, I told you from here, I told you either it's going to make a correction to go back to touch here again, then it's going to give us here a divergence indicating the market is going to reverse, or another scenario from here is going to fall down only to that level here. Then after that, you're going to see it going upward, guys. Picture is very clear. But also here we're still in a downtrend, guys, as you see it. And even that one here, it's showing all that to us, because if we came and we zoom it out like that, as you see it, guys, where we follow it us from 2021, that one is as a downtrend from the last peak of the Bitcoin reached to it. And as you see it, every time he used to respect it, guys, as you see it now. The only thing now, also we got here a very clear divergence like that, as you see it, from that peak here and that one here. That's why I told you interlong, because that one is a divergence indicating the market is going to reverse like how it used to be before here in the top. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. As you see it here, we used to have here a peak in the top here and here, that indicating the market is going to reverse, and that's what's happening. From here we started dropping all that drop till where we are now, and now the market here it giving us here down another divergence. That way I told you maybe the market is going to reverse, but let's wait in the coming days, guys. Maybe we're going to see a small drop or something, or it's going to give us like here. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here is the same thing, guys. Look at it here. You got here a very clear divergence here in the daily. That way I told it's going to reverse. And if you remember here, we used to have even here a divergence here, and that way the Bitcoin move upward all that much. Now we are here, and the Bitcoin here is showing to us a new divergence like that. If you came like that, you got a very clear divergence there. That's why me thinking is going to reverse, guys. But the long-term downtrend is the 200 moving average. It's need to break it, and that the view of me personally, I think, is going to go higher till it touching the 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to make a drop. Then after that, it's going to go higher. Everything is too clear, guys. So it's the right time, guys. Started buying slowly by slowly. Started DCA buying every month a little bit of Bitcoin. Every month a little bit of Bitcoin. That a place of accumulation level, guys. That the right time for you to start DCA. No one know exactly where is the bottom, guys. And if you DCA is better than anyone, he try to pretend where is the bottom. You don't care where is the bottom, where is the top. They say it's always the winner in all the strategies, guys. So that's why me I told you, start this and forget about all the news. Don't watch in the media. Don't watch nothing, because all those things you watch in the media and those things, they are just noise, guys. And it's a emotional game. I tell you that thousands of times. Don't follow nothing, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see if there is any swing trading opportunity. So let's go into the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. 4 hours we touch here. Yesterday here in that candle here in that one. What did I told you here? I told you there is a reverse coming, and that's what you're seeing, guys. As you see it, it's reversed here here. And me, I told you for us to enter long, it's need the market to give us here a price action. Until now, he tried to give us here something, as you see it. If you came like that and you doing even that one like that, you got here it's like a channel. So now for us to enter long, it's need that one to come upward and to break up here for us to enter long. For the short, it's need to come and to break lower. That means it's going to break that last low, which is here, that one here, to break it, and that means the Bitcoin it will fall down more, guys. So that one is one of two scenarios, guys. Either from that level is going to come upward and to break for us that channel here, or another scenario from here, that means all that is just a resting to come to break for us the last low, which is here. So us we're still waiting, guys, what's going to market to give us. Till now there is nothing confirmed yet, unless if it came and breaking the last high here, that one here, it came and breaking here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, yes, you, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us, guys. You know that channel with how cheese can growing up. So please helping us. Just a thumbs up, click at that, writing down a comment. Support us, guys. You know that channel with how cheese can growing up. So please help us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into our indicators, guys. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, when we enter here, I told you me from here, it's likelihood is going to happen from here a reverse, and that's what happened. It came to that level here. Now it's showing a rejection from there. So now either from here we're going to go back to touch here, then it's going to give us here a divergence or something. Then after that it's going to go higher, or maybe, guys, from here we're going to go higher without any going back. So that one is going to be just a resting or a flag or something like that. Then after that, it's going to go higher. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, guys, as you see it, also here we are at the oversold area, and the level we are in a very, very stronger level. The price action, I show it to you in the 4 hours. I told you got here like a small channel here. It's need to come upward to break it up, or either to give us here a double bottom like that. That is going to indicate for us the market is going to reverse, but till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. As I told you, it might is going to fall down to break for us the last low. So we are in the moment of waiting, guys. There is nothing confirmed yet here in the 4 hours. We need to wait more and more. And here in the 4 hours, I show you all those things before. I told you got here like a wage like that, as you see it. And here in the 4 hours, you got something very important, guys. Look at it. That one here, it came to it yesterday, touch it here. Now it's reversing here. So now let's hope that level where we are here is going to hold. Then after that to go back up. That is going to indicate the market is going to reverse. That was me I told you yesterday. If it doesn't hold here, that's when we're going to fall down here till 12k. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Yesterday in the last video I told you here in 30 minutes we got here exactly in that place a double top, and I told you if it came and breaking the lower here you enter short. As you see it, guys, it's breaking here, you enter short. Now in that place you need to start thinking of to take profit, guys. And here look at the big picture, guys. Here what you see in here, the one here, the one here, and the one here. It give you here like a head and shoulder, guys, whereas the neckline is the one, guys. Now if it came and breaking lower here, you're going to see the Bitcoin it's falling down more, guys. That here I'm talking about 30 minutes, so you're going to see it is going down till 12k, and that was something very bad, guys. But let's see our indicators, what they saying, and to analyze more, guys, to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. And here, look, guys, here what the market it give you here. If you see it here in 30 minutes like that, and you came here like that, you used to have here a wave, and the candle here it's breaking down here. That's what me I told you. You got a lot of patterns here, of price action pattern here. So all of them, they indicating the market is going to fall down, guys. So don't be scared, guys. Don't sell. That is just a emotional games, guys. So remember my word. Let's see our indicators, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. So the people they enter from here scalping short, they need to take some profit now and try to protect yourself. Move you the stop loss down on those things, because if you are a scalper, you need to know all those things. Scalping is not easy like long-term investment. Scalping is very hard. So you need to try to protect always any profit. Try to protect it. Don't leave it open. And our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, that one here, as you see it came to that level. It's showing here a rejection, but till now I think it's still early. Maybe it's going to fall down more than that, but tomorrow is Saturday and after tomorrow is Sunday, so there is no big volume, guys. I think we're going to stay here in that level till Monday. We're going to see what's going to happen in the market. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.